Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to download and install VN Video Editor on your PC. First, open your web browser and go to the search bar. Type VN Video Editor and press enter. From the search results, click the official VN Video Editor website. Once you're on the website and scroll down, you'll see download options for both Mac and Windows. If you're using Windows, click Download for Windows. You'll then be redirected to a page with instructions. Scroll down. You see Download and Install BlueStacks option. Then click on BlueStacks link, and you go BlueStacks page and click Download BlueStacks. Wait for the download to finish. Then open the installer. When prompted, click Yes. Once BlueStacks is installed, sign in with your Google account to access the Play Store. After the open Play Store, to search VN Video Editor on search bar. Click on Install. Wait for the installation to complete, then click Open. Click on New Project and get start in your PC. You've successfully installed VN Video Editor on your computer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget like, subscribe and get notified.